and talk to me. I really wanna meet you, girl. I really wanna know your name. Oh yeah, baby. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my mind every time I see your face, girl. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my mind.
Hey guys, so it is Friday, my day off, and I'm going to go do a little bit of shopping, I guess. More so looking. I don't really plan on buying anything. I'm not really holding myself to that. So, I'm tired. I had a rough night, y'all. I fell out the bed. I'm not even gonna explain on that. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, you guys, so my face is super dry, so I've decided that I'm going to just do a facial day today when I get back home. So you guys will see a separate video of that later. But since I'm out and like my best friend has been going through some stuff and like I guess stressing out a little bit, so I want to do something nice for her. So I'm currently in TJ Maxx and looking at stuff that I think she'll like maybe a relaxed bag, maybe is what I'm thinking. It's so hard because we are very picky about scents. So yeah, and I think I took the only peppermint castile soap, but I want it for myself and I don't want to share. So we shall see. So I've decided to go to Walmart since I do need some things from there, and I'm just leaving TJ Maxx. Ooh, y'all, I'm so glad I'm washing my hair today. So yeah, I found really cute facial mask, body scrub, and Dr. Bronner's, which is castile soap that I always use. So I prefer the peppermint kind. I like feeling like a peppermint patty in the breeze. So I'm gonna head out and get to Walmart. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my face, and I like to use the peppermint castile soap by Dr. Bronner's. And I would not advise this if you have really sensitive skin. Well, I do, but you feel me, like I'm used to it, so it gives me that peppermint feeling. And next, I'm using my blue sarsaparilla facial mask. It does tingle just a little bit, but it's only because I did use that peppermint soap. And then I'm going to rinse my face. And when you rinse your face, try patting dry. It locks in the moisture, supposedly. I don't know, y'all. Okay, so next I'm going to use a facial scrub. It's the sea salt and coconut oil by Body Prescription. Sorry, y'all. I'd advise you to use this seriously in the bathroom because it does tend to have a lot of fallout. Yeah, so it's also a really great exfoliant if you're gonna go ahead and wax or shave your face to get those ingrown hairs out, and that's normally what I do next. However, I'm not gonna do it as of right now for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a facial mask, a moisturizing facial mask. It's witch hazel and tea tree, which witch hazel is a really good toner for you. If you check out your local Walmart, they have lots of these great masks available, and they are awesome for your skin. This one I kept on for 10 minutes. You're supposed to keep it on for 10 minutes. Many different masks come with different times on them, but that's pretty much it. You pat your face dry and you're all set to go. Some people can add an SPF. I don't, but hey, that's how it goes. Thank you guys for watching.